I do feel very good about myself, and I do feel like a hero. I went to RSI thinking that I would potentially own a business. Well, going into this business, it was plumbing first. 6 months ago, we started the HVAC side. We're a busy, fast-growing company. Right now, we currently have 6 technicians. We have an extra van just waiting for somebody to hop in there. But yeah, I would like to have double that in the next 2 years. And hopefully in the next 5 years or so, we'll be bigger than the big companies out here in Arizona. That's my plan. I think mine and my wife's relationship has grown tremendously. We have a great partnership. She takes all the office work, and I help the guys out on the field, and sometimes she has to kick me in the back or something to, well, come on, we own a business now, let's go. Owning my own business, it started giving my family and I more of a freedom with more of our hobbies, more of taking the family out. You know, now we can afford a house and we can afford a living for our kids, and with all our hard work that we've done. I do feel very accomplished, especially being on the younger side. That was always my goal. I love the interaction that we have with customers. I love when they have a smile on their face once you walk out of that home. I do feel very good about myself, and I do feel like a hero.